Hello, FCCLA evaluators, advisors, and partners. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this quick tutorial. So you should be getting an email from the competitive events team that will have a link to your evaluator folder. This link is special to you. So just copy and paste it into your browser or click it, whatever works best to open up, whether it be Google Chrome, Safari, Microsoft, or Firefox. Those are the four that we have seen that work the best. So it should go directly into your evaluator file. The first thing that I recommend is clicking sign in. If you don't sign in, you will not be able to edit the files. So that is very, very important. This is for career investigation. So you will see that you have a picture. Each competitive event will have a picture, and it's a little summary of what should be in there. So career investigation should have one of these portfolios, whether it be hard copy or electronic, and then an oral presentation. Please note that right now the student folders aren't in here, but once evaluation time does come around, you will have student folders in here. They will be titled with the chapter name and the chapter ID. Inside, you will have their submissions, their files, and their videos. You should know that nothing has to be downloaded locally. You should not have to download anything onto your computer. This has all been made so you can just access it on the web and you don't have to have anything installed onto your computer. Videos should be easily accessible on the Google Drive through the web browser. If that is an issue or if it does not open, please just write that into the rubric submission. Right here, you have each of the rubrics for each level. Please note that this is not just for one team, it is for all the teams. Some of them might not be necessary and might not be used by you because the submissions might not have been entered. So right off the bat, I can tell you that here we cannot edit it. So what we do need to do is right here, open with, we're gonna select that and we're gonna click Doc Hub, PDF sign and edit. We have found that that is the easiest one to edit all of these files. So we click on that. I've already set it up, but it will take you through a sign up process. It's very simple. You should just have to click the allow button 3 or 4 times. You've already signed into your Google Drive, so you should not need to sign in again. So right here, we have the same file. You should be able to add text to add in the scores. We recommend adding reference notes. We recommend adding any feedback that you want to give to the students. We can allow that on the side or at the bottom, wherever works best for you. There is usually space at the bottom for your event comments. We do ask that you tally them up at the end, please. Just put the total in here. We are taking care of the point summary rubric, so the other 10 points will not need to be added into here. And if you can just put your evaluator initials and your evaluator number. Your evaluator number will be found here in your folder, evaluator 1, 2, or 3. Once you're done with that, we will click this little button that says download/export. We'd click Google Drive, and we would just update existing with revisions. So it's gonna put back whatever we revised and it's gonna update that file. So saving to Google Drive should take a second. You can either click show in drive or okay. I have mine here. So if I refresh, it will give me that updated, right? So this will all be filled in. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to us, whether it be the state email or the state competitive events email. You can reply to that link that we sent you. Our competitive events team is more than happy to help you out if you have any questions. We will be here for all of you. Thank you very much. Again, we appreciate all of your help throughout this process and we hope to see all of you soon. Thank you.